International Healthcare Group, Kaiser Medical Center Group, Fidelity Life, Ramper Realty, Ramper Financials, Atram, MyTrade, U-Trade, and Soldivo Funds. At paalala po namin sa inyo, anumang antas sa lipunan, mayaman, mahirap, walang pinipili ang financial education. It is inclusive, not just for the wealthy, but for everyone. Kaisa niyo po ako, si Kalad Karen.
Tandaan, ang krisis sa pera kayang solusyonan ng IMG Kusana. Ang inyong pong frontliner at kapatid, Jester De Los Santos.
Congratulations to all the financial literacy champions! Sama-sama po nating abutin ang 30 million Filipino families financially educated by the year 2030. Ako po ang inyong kaibigan, kabalitan at kakampi, Corina Sanchez Rojas.
This is IMG Convention.